Hey there, are you looking for some delicious and romantic foods to cook for your Valentine's Day celebration? Look no further. Today, I'm going to share with you some tasty and easy-to-make dishes that are perfect for a special Valentine's Day dinner. First up, let's talk about appetizers. A classic choice for Valentine's Day is oysters. These can be served raw with a squeeze of lemon, or you can try cooking them in a variety of ways, such as grilling, frying, or roasting. Another delicious option is a cheese and charcuterie board, which is easy to put together and looks impressive. Simply choose a selection of your favorite cheeses, meats, and accompaniments, and arrange them on a platter. For the main course, how about trying your hand at making homemade pasta? There are many different types of pasta you can make, such as spaghetti, linguine, or ravioli. You can also get creative with the sauces, such as a classic tomato sauce, a creamy Alfredo sauce, or a rich and flavorful carbonara. And no Valentine's Day celebration is complete without a sweet treat. How about whipping up a batch of chocolate truffles or a decadent chocolate cake? Or, for something a little lighter, try making a fruit tart or a plate of chocolate-dipped strawberries. I hope these ideas have inspired you to get creative in the kitchen and make a special and delicious Valentine's Day meal for you and your loved one. Happy cooking! Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.